Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to deposit on Exness. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Exness application. You can see over here Exness application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your personal area. Over here you'll be able to see the account, available balance and the options like deposit, withdraw and details over here. So in order to deposit, what you have to do is locate the option for deposit and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the deposit interface. Since I'm using the demo account, I'm not prompted to choose a payment method. But if you're using the real account, you'll be able to choose the payment method. Exness offers various payment options including credit or debit cards, e-wallets and more. So simply select the method that you prefer. After that, you'll be able to enter the deposit amount. Simply tap on this field. Now what you have to do is simply enter the amount that you want to deposit into your Exness account. Now after you enter it, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. If you're using the real account, you'll have to review the transaction summary. Simply confirm the details of your deposit like amount, currency and payment method. Now after the transaction has been completed, you'll be able to see the message that deposit is in your account. Simply go back. Check the account. You can see over here the amount has been deposited. So that is how you deposit on Exness. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.